Master le. 6 meanings every Chinese learner must know. If you're learning Chinese, you've definitely come across the little word le, short but super confusing. It can change tense, meaning, and even emotion in a sentence. Today I'll show you the 6 most common and useful way to use le, with simple examples you will never forget. Usage 1. Expressing a change of state. Where use le when something is different from before, when a change has happened. Let's see examples. 天黑了. It's getting dark. It wasn't dark before, but now it is. Or 她结婚了. She got married. Before she wasn't married, now she is. Usage 2. Showing a completed action. Place le after a verb to show that an action has been finished or completed. Let's see examples. 他去北京了. He has gone to Beijing. 我看了那本书. I've read that book. Both actions are done, completed. Usage 3. To le in one sentence. Action plus with new situation. When a sentence has to le, the first marks a completed action, and the second shows a new situation or result. Let's see examples. 我吃了饭，就去学校了。I ate and then went to school. First le, finished eating. Second le, now moving to a new stage, like going out. Usage 4. Le between verb and object, emphasizing a specific result. When the action is done and has a clear object or result, le is often placed between the verb and the noun. Let's see examples. 我买了书. I bought a book. Or 他喝了3杯咖啡. He drank 3 cups of coffee. Le shows the result is complete or specific. Usage 5. Asking about completed action. Le ma. Use the pattern verb plus with le plus with ma to ask if something has already happened. Let's see example. 你吃了吗? Have you eaten? Or 你去过中国了吗? Have you been to China? Here, le combines with ma to form a yes or no question about a completed action. Let's compare. If the action hasn't happened yet, says 我还没吃呢. I haven't eaten yet. Use 还没呢, not 不了 for negative past forms. Usage 6. Expression emotion, emphasis, or urging someone. At the end of a sentence, le can add emotion, excitement, finality, or urgency. Let's see example. 太好了, that's great. 丑了, let's go. 别说了, stop talking. 快点走了, hurry it up and go. And that's it. The 6 main uses of le you need to know. It's small but super powerful, and using it right makes your Chinese sounds natural and fluent. If you like me to make a video comparing le, guo, chi, comment more, please Alice. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more daily Chinese lessons.